Hello ma'am, good morning. I'm Icon T. Malibago, 24 years old from the Philippines. Date of birth, August 15, 2000. Place of birth, from the Radyawan di Pakualaw, Aurora. Highest education, college undergraduate, criminology. School place, Quirino State University. Weight, 54. Height, 5'1". Catholic. Permanent address from Magsaysay, Saguday, Quirino. Single mom. Age of son, 1 year old. Name of father, Virgilio T. Malibago. 54 years old. Construction worker. Name of mother, Jonaline T. Malibago. 42 years old. Housewife. Number of sister, 1. Rank in sibling, 1. First job, helper. Country, Philippines. Place, Saguday, Quirino. Name of employer, Camilla Cardenas. That's all, ma'am, and thank you, and God bless you.